How to use and download Ccleaner. Let's go. First, you search free Ccleaner and then you click download Ccleaner. Then click free download and wait for a while. And then go to Windows and click Ccleaner. Right click and go run as administrator. Wait for a while. Okay, click customize. So you can untick this tree. And then click install. Wait for a while and then click continue and decline. Start Ccleaner. Here you can scan PC or you can go to custom clean and you can tick which one you want to clean and then click analyze. Yes. After that, click run cleaner. Click continue. And that's it. Thank you for watching.